What's in my airplane bag? Spoiler alert, it's a bag and a bag and a bag and a bag. Bag to the 12th power. I know you guys love these, so let's do it first. As usual, let's close this door. Don't want anyone seeing what I got. Shh, we're trying to steal it while I sneak. Okay, next, let's get our handy dandy tray helper to set the stage for the show. Okay, let me just grab the bag now. It's so... Okay, now, I can't get it out now because it's a tray, a stupid tray. Okay, bye tray. You are not helping. Okay, all right, so this is my Harrods bag, which is great because it's a little, like, nondescript, kind of descript, but nondescript. Big tote to carry everything in and good to go through security with. Although, honestly, I put the Harrods bag in another bag, too. First on top, we have our mini Kelly. Just hanging out on top, chilling. Easy access if I need something to grab and go in case something happens. Knock on wood. Although, honestly, if something happened, I would take everyone. I don't care what they say. I love them all. Okay, so here's my mini. Wait, is the camera not working? Is it? Let me just clear it up. Okay, is that better? Can you see me? Can you see me? Oh, there I am. Okay, so there's mini Kelly. You know her. Let's put him back away. Goodbye. There's nothing inside him except for my wallet and my passport. Just should have showed you. Okay, next we have... inside, all stuffed up. Okay, bye, Harrods bag. I'll put them in the dust bag, inside the bag, for double protection. Oh, reversed. One day I'm going to get this right and open them the right way. But that day's not today. Okay. Also, these are so tight. I don't know why the dust bags are so tight. Maybe I misplaced the dust bags. Put the wrong bag in the wrong dust bag. Okay, anyway. We've got B30. Stuffed. Here's what he looks like stuffed. Okay, let's put him back away. Wait, oh, I gotta show you what's inside. What am I doing? Okay, hold on. I feel like I will show you in a second. But let's just put him back in for protection and hide him from the world. Okay, so there's my wallet. That can't be, that's all that's in there. Oh, oops. I've taken everything out already, so I gotta put it back in. Hold on, pause prep. I'm gonna set the stage again, okay? Come back in here. Go talk amongst yourselves. You know what, I'm just gonna show you because they're already out and I'm too lazy to put them back in. So I have this pouch that has all my, my Moignon pouch that I got, which I love. Has all my wires. Oh God, the lighting's so bad. Hold on, one second. Okay, I need like a cameraman, like a crew, do this properly. Okay, anyway, they're my wires and stuff, okay? Next, we have this pouch, which usually has all my personal things that I need. But right now, I don't even know what's in it, and I can't even see in the lighting so bad. So there looks like a bag of medicine, something. Okay, that's what's inside there. Okay, goodbye. Then we got one more in the back. This is why I love this Harrods bag, too, because it's so big. You can get 2 travel-sized bags. 28 and the 30 in there. Okay, so we know what he is. This is my newest one who we love. We're so excited. I can't believe I just got this. Okay, so reversed again. God, my heck. Okay, so this is... Wait, let's just check and make sure nobody's looking. Is anybody looking? No, nobody can see it, but they can smell it. It smells so good. Oh my God. Just looking at this. Every time I open and look at it, I'm just in shock. I'm so happy. It's just... Okay, obviously I already opened them up halfway. So let's just take this cloth off. And inside of him, we've got another mole. This is very much Russian dolls. Bag and bag and bag and bag, bag, bag. Okay, so first, look how good he looks stuffed. With that shine on the leather. Oh. So inside we have my other bag that I got in my appointment. And then inside him, we've got some more bags. But let's go back to Kelly. Okay, that's what's inside. The strap and the Glock. So shiny, so smelly, so good. I could literally just look and stare at this bag for forever. Right? Look at, I mean... I cannot believe it. So nice. Okay, a moment for the bag. Let's take a moment. Let's cry. Okay, moment over. Oh wait, I gotta adjust my seat. Pause for adjustments. Okay, more comfortable now. Okay, next we have what's inside, which is the other bag I got in my appointment. Also obsessed. Kind of the same family vein. We got like a little cousins thing going on here with the colors. This is a mini her bag in a thing of natural stable. And then inside, we've got more. This is how you make the most of the space. Bag and a bag and a bag and a bag. Because I don't need anything else but my bags. Okay, inside we have our horsey charm. Loose horsey charm. Pegase. And loose Constance. Limb wallet. Which I also got. These are the things I picked up online. And then another loose horsey charm. Okay, hi horsey charm. And then that's it. Okay, closes her bag up. Back up. I guess her bag can be the only bag that's a girl. Because, you know. I'm gonna do so much on this bag. I love this bag so much. Let me know if you want questions or things like that. Okay, pause for, technical difficulties. Okay. 2 horsies. Hello, horsies. Yay, okay, fine, bye. Okay. And then, finally, this was not in my airplane bag because I just got it at the airport and I could take it separately. Slash, I'll show you, would not fit. So, reversed it again. Jesus. Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyway, this is my Kelly messenger that I got at the airport. Look at him. He's perfection. Okay, let's open him up. See what's inside. Because I'm not going to waste this space. I got to put something inside him too, obviously. Okay, hold on. Technical difficulties. Talk amongst yourselves while I figure this out. It's a little harder to open this one. Okay. Here we go. Got it. Almost. Okay, got it. All right. Inside we have stuffing. Oops. Literally just got it at the airport, so I didn't have time to stuff it. Okay, take another moment for the bag. Hello, Kelly man. Man Kelly. Okay, let's close him back up and put him to bed. Because, you know, store fresh. Okay. Take a minute. Talk amongst yourselves while I do this slowly and carefully. Oh, perfection. That's everything. I'm so happy. Bye, guys. Did you like